In order to reach our goals, we need to address our unhelpful money habits, and we all have those. So, what are the money habits that are keeping you from reaching your goal? Are you an impulse buyer? So, you're saving up for this one special thing, but you just can't help yourself buying yet another handbag or spending it on an expensive bottle of wine or an expensive meal. And you're doing that twice a week. What is it that you are doing that is actually stopping you from reaching those wonderful goals that you've set for yourself? Once you've identified those, think about what can you do about it. So what actions can you take to break that money habit? So you see that beautiful handbag that you want. Are you going to impulse buy that? Or are you going to have your dream first and foremost in your mind and go, that is another $160 that I could put towards my dream. I can reach that goal so much faster if instead of spending this $160 here, I put it into my savings account. Yeah. What else is it? Would you take somebody with you to stop you from doing something like that? Would you maybe just not go to your favorite handbag store for the next 3 months and use visiting the handbag store as a reward for yourself when you've achieved one of your goals? So write down the new habits that you want to develop instead and see if you can stick to those. See if you can change those unhelpful money habits for something that is really positive and uplifting and get you to your goals.